Hi there! Welcome to our channel. Today we will see how to draw a dog. So let's draw a super cute dog. Let's know some fun facts about dogs. The Labrador Retriever has been on the AKC's top 10 most popular breeds list for 30 consecutive years, longer than any other breed. A dog's nose print is unique, much like a person's fingerprint. 45% of US dogs sleep in their owner's bed. Speaking of sleeping, all dogs dream, but puppies and senior dogs dream more frequently than adult dogs. %70 of people sign their dog's name on their holiday cards. A dog's sense of smell is legendary. But did you know that his nose has as many as 300 million receptors? In comparison, a human nose has about 5 million. Rin Tin Tin, the famous German Shepherd, was nominated for an Academy Award. Dogs' noses can sense heat, thermal radiation, which explains why blind or deaf dogs can still hunt. Only one breed that was among the 5 most popular breeds in 1934, the Beagle, still remains in the top 5 today. A dog. The name Collie means black. My drawing is done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.